In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another user to your QuickBooks Online account. This process is straightforward and shouldn't take long. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident navigating this aspect of QuickBooks, ensuring that your collaborators are seamlessly integrated into your financial system. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to begin by heading over to the QuickBooks website and clicking on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing your QuickBooks account online. Once you click on Sign In, you'll need to select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This choice directs you appropriately since QuickBooks offers various services, and you want to make sure you're accessing the right one. Next up, it's time to enter your credentials. This includes your email address and password. Make sure you type them in carefully to avoid any access issues. Once your credentials are entered, go ahead and click Continue. This action will log you into your account, bringing you into the hub of your financial operations. Once inside, your next destination is the My Accountant section. You don't need to wander far, simply locate the My Accountant area either on your dashboard or from the navigation pane. Clicking on it will open up an interface where you can manage accountant partnerships efficiently. Now here's where you add another user. You need to enter the email address of the accountant or the user you wish to invite. Be precise here, the email entered must be the one associated with their QuickBooks credentials to ensure they can accept the invitation without a hitch. With the email correctly typed in, the next step is simple: hit the invite button. This action sends a formal invitation to the new user, allowing them to gain access to your QuickBooks environment. Once they accept, they'll become part of your team, ready to view and manage the financial data necessary for them to perform their duties effectively. After sending the invitation, it's a great idea to notify the person that you've sent them an invite code. This ensures that they're aware of the incoming email and are ready to accept it swiftly. It can avoid any potential delays due to them missing the invitation in their inbox. And there you have it, you've successfully added another user to your QuickBooks Online account. This straightforward process allows you to easily manage who has access to your financial information, ensuring that collaboration is efficient and secure. If you have any questions or run into issues, QuickBooks offers support resources to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your QuickBooks experience.